Hello, I'm Jonas Jost, professional magician and illusionist. I'm going to show you a trick where we are going to make a coin vanish using just a little cup and a piece of paper. It's a great trick, but before we start, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. So I'm going to need a cup and a coin, please, if we've got something in the box there. Oh yeah, perfect. Beautiful. That's the one. One coin, one cup, and I'm going to cover that like that. Now all I need is a paper napkin. Have we got something? Yeah, great, fantastic, thank you. Perfect. Very simple trick. I'm going to cover the cup with a piece of paper. Now you can see the coin has not vanished just yet. You can see that, right? And the cup goes over the coin just like that. So it's very simple. Let's just check if the coin is still there. Yes, okay, here we go. Vanish. Very slowly. Oh, the cup's gone. Coin's still there, but the cup's disappeared. Magic. Disappeared. Want to learn the secret to making the cup vanish? Here we go, check this out. I originally said it was making a coin vanish, but that's all part of the trick. The coin goes on the table like this. The cup, now this can be any glass or cup, I'm using a little plastic cup, and you need to be able to see straight through it, goes over the top like that, upside down, trapping the coin. The paper napkin needs to be a paper napkin that's nice and stiff, nice and thick. It goes over the cup and over the coin. Now you hold on to that, and you hold onto the paper napkin and the cup at the same time. Check once. Coin is still there. Bring the hand all the way back here. That's very important, to the edge of the table. You must be sitting at a table. On the second time, place it over the coin. Check it again. Maybe click your fingers, do something magical. Now, as you do this again, the secret move is you're dropping the cup out of the paper, but keeping the shape of the paper. Now I had a magical henchman under my table to catch the cup for me. If you don't have that, you simply drop it into your lap. Then you place the pretend cup back on. People don't know it's vanished yet. And boom, it disappears. Now you can reach in under the table and pick up the cup from your lap and show that it has gone straight through the table. They'll be very surprised because they weren't expecting that the cup has vanished. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to all the tricks that my henchman and I are doing, and we are going to show you some really cool magic tricks you can do at home with anything. Yeah? Cool. Nice.